I've been waiting on the sunset.
You can say I'm a happy-go-lucky kid. I look at things in a positive light. If something seems tough, I'll still do it, but I'll make it fun. So, last summer I went on a walk. It was a 75-mile plus walk from the border of Portugal to Santiago, Spain. World renowned and respected by the backpacking community.
You were gonna turn out fine. Oh, you
Me? I did it in flip-flops.
fine. Oh, you turn out fine.
I was with my best friend on an adventure. Experiencing that with her was one of the most epic things ever. It allowed me to slow down, experience nature, and the countryside of northwestern Spain is beautiful.
I know it's hard. No, it's hard.
The best part of it was we got each other through it and we made it all the way on our own 2 feet.
And you can let your hair down. Hey, 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 hey. I got my
Sharing that wholehearted, genuine happiness is what it's all about. EENG allows me to keep that mentality and to pass on the stuff. If I'm with the kids laughing and having fun, it allows me to create a connection with the next generation, which is awesome. That's why I teach with EENG. I get to work with the best people and the coolest little kids. You keep them excited about the environment, and they keep you laughing and having fun with all their enthusiasm and eagerness.
fine. Oh, you turn out fine. But you gotta keep your head up. Oh, and you can let your head down. Hey, you gotta keep your head up. Oh, and you can
Sometimes it's not necessarily what you're doing, it's who you're with. Being with these kids makes me happy. I teach because there's no better feeling than that.
and you can let your head down. Hey, hey, hey. Only rainbows after rain. The sun will always come again, and it's a circle.